MerriweatherA.Law, advancing clients with us. Dismiss with us. Verizon Wireless. Don't get limited by any limited plan. Get 20 gigs of limitless data just for $160 a month with 4 lines. Switch to Verizon today. SteamPower.com. Featuring Xenoverse, Dragon Ball. The ball's in your court. That's a quote. Only from Steam.com. Virtual reality, not reality, silly. All right, we're back on the air. This is voted by LiaYAHOO.
The president will
That should
avoid
mean no one.
mentioning this issue
Outer
in
space.
any and all campaign events for the next.
Yeah, outer space.
Well, again, fortunately, there's only another week or so.
We
to go.
have OnStar too. It's called We
I think I speak
Remember.
for everybody in here
Riding with you.
when I say that.
The elevator.
But yes, I would anticipate that the president will speak publicly quite a bit.
We were in the elevator for 7 minutes.
I would not expect a dramatic change to the president's speech.
Yeah, my client was in the elevator for 7 minutes.
Indicating his very strong support.
And his lips were chapped.
Secretary Clinton and his
Here, put some of this on.
that the outcome of this election is critically
This is, tastes so good. What is this?
So will he make a
Lip gloss.
decision to avoid
Prevention.
commenting
Put it
on
on.
this because of all the concerns?
Oh, I love lip
Again,
gloss
the
prevention.
president,
This is
prior
good.
to Friday's
It
letter,
is.
was not spending a lot of time.
It's like a
dwelling on this
strawberry
topic,
flavor.
and I wouldn't anticipate.
Yeah, put this
significant
lip
changes.
gloss prevention on,
I just
okay?
want to come back to the Harry Reid question.
You're gonna be on the
about
elevator for
this
7 minutes.
implying about Donald Trump and the Russian
Yeah, with the best
government.
attorney in the world.
Since the DNI has said that there was.
How do we help the White House with
Russian
that? This is an IMF.
influence the election. When you said that you haven't been briefed on whether there's an actual connection to the Republican nominee.
Clearly, we're post.
If there were information
something.
along these lines, is this the kind of thing that should be disclosed?
Post pro.
prior to the election?
Well, again, I think.
Well,
this sort of
again,
falls
he's
into the
not
category
thirsty.
of,
He's just
a decision
riding
that has
with
to be
us.
made by officials of the Department of Justice and the FBI. They can
That is
speak to
correct.
whether or not there's an investigation that's ongoing. If
We had
there is
$7 in our
a
wallet,
investigation is ongoing,
and we met with you.
ultimately it will be up to them to decide.
What does that
consistent with the
mean?
Guidelines that I've laid out. How much
We know you're tracking his spending,
investigation to make public.
and he had $7.
You don't hear they're withholding information as is being implied here by Harry
And then we went downstairs.
Again, it's just hard for
Again,
me to-
we'll let the public decide what
to
that
say
means.
because I don't know.
We
whether
want to know
there's
how can we help the White House.
Okay, Kenneth.
Thanks, Josh. So just to confirm.
Kenneth Starr, thank you, and Linda Tripp. We'll agree. We'll help you out with that. We're asking for 500 USD. That's all.
Newly discovered emails has been through media reports.
Yeah,
Letter, there hasn't been any type of call.
Weber. We're asking for 500 Webers
So, Kenneth, let me be as
USD.
precise as I possibly can here.
500 Webers.
The White House was not given
USD.
advance notice of the fact that the Department of Justice was.
You've got it. That's all we're asking for.
The White House
We had
became
$7
aware
in our
of that
wallet.
letter through media reports when individuals in Congress presumably made the decision to make that letter public. And since then,
This is Pink Shorts,
there has
voted by
the
Aliens
Department of
13.
Justice has not provided any sort of briefing or
Briefing,
consultation
consultation,
or sought any consultation with the White House
sought any
about
consultation.
this matter moving forward.
Yes,
Josh, you mentioned there are a lot of people on the sidelines. Former
we love orange sweaters. We love it.
have a luxury,
You know,
you said.
that's not where they belong. They don't belong
Some
there.
of these folks are not on the sidelines. They're
They
active
don't belong
government.
there.
You mentioned Harry Reid, who
They
said
don't
that he
belong
deeply regrets
with
fighting
orange sweaters
Burr,
on. They don't belong there.
Comey.
They're good people.
Obviously, you're
They don't
saying that
belong
the White
there.
House is standing with Comey on this. So
They
what's your
belong
response to
outside with all of us.
Federal Party top leaders
Today's show
who
sponsored by
say we're
Wind.
fighting Burr?
Bonus $50 in savings. Available on all pay plans valued at $40 or more. Only from Gone with the Wind Mobile CA.
I'll neither defend nor criticize
They don't belong there.
that decision.
They don't belong
I
there. Don't
recognize that there are a lot
please
of other
don't.
people who have,
They don't belong there.
and they certainly are entitled to do that.
At the Playhouse,
based
they
on the
don't belong
institutional
there.
constraints that I have.
You
Standing
got
at
it.
this podium in front of the White House logo. I don't have that
They're
luxury.
monarch.
So,
They know it.
I'll let other people weigh in. The president's view is
President's view?
that Director Comey is a man of
Director
integrity.
Comey?
He's a man of character.
He's a man of character.
He
Today
not
is November
attempting to
5th.
influence the election to benefit
Conspiracy Day.
one
Hello.
party or one candidate for office.
Ride the 105
He's
with
gonna do
us
his job.
for conspiracy.
Hopefully he'll draw on that character and integrity.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of talk about Comey after this. Obviously, it's turned
This is anonymous. We would like to know how can we help.
So what is this administration's advice to Hillary Clinton?
We're kind of
She
thirsty.
wins
We want to know how can we help you
with a man
guys.
who has now investigated her seemingly at least
CJ
once
Rapp,
in the
want to know how can we help you?
Well, listen, I'm not going to speculate about the outcome at this point. To the
That's
president,
right.
focused on,
Post pro.
over the course of this
Post-pro.
week, we'll be focused on making a case for her because he feels strongly.
We
about,
won't approve
her
it.
candidacy and
We won't
the
approve.
Stakes that are
How can we help you?
the stakes in this election for the future of the country. But I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
the stakes
speculate
in
about
the
what
elevator.
advice the
Advice.
president would have for
The president would
Biden.
have.
We'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
Well,
Finally, for me, does the president have a costume?
all we're asking for is a deposit
Well,
Where?
That's right.
Today.
in USD. That's all.
Well, you all have an opportunity to see him.
We will act like we
He's
never
up on later today.
went down with you.
Stay tuned. I'll just say in the past, the president's not worn a costume when he's asking.
I'll forget it right
I
now.
did not ask him today.
Wells Fargo.
Change that practice.
Deposit.
That long-standing guideline.
Yeah, we'll forget it right now. We'll forget it.
Michelle.
Yeah, so we hear you defending both Comey and the Attorney General. which is
We'll forget
interesting
that they're in the
because
hospital.
they're not
We'll
being
forget
more
about it.
closed on the release of this information and the
We'll forget
timing
about
of it.
Brennan too.
And so, to
John
hear the
Sheehan.
Attorney General and
Sheehan
the
Memorial.
sources within the department saying that
Yeah, we'll
the
forget
release
it.
of this and the timing runs contrary to procedures. To hear
Bro, that's a
Barbara
confirmation
saying
about
that
Toto.
this is a stunning
You've got
breach of
500
protocol,
Webers.
violates long-standing
500 Webers. Thank
policies.
you.
I know you don't want to take sides here. You're not going to do that. But doesn't that chasm between the views here of the
How many
FBI
presidents
and
work for
Justice Department
Verizon?
at
Well,
the very least raise a
not
concern
sure.
here?
Well,
well,
listen, there has been
there has been
of anonymous voices. in the
anonymous
media
voices.
over the
That's
last
me and
20 to
IMS.
72 hours,
Irreconcilable differences. There with the
sharing their
law.
own perspective.
We're
and
advancing
opinion on the
clients.
situation. Some of those are anonymous voices.
I
who
think
are
so.
identified as people who currently work in the United States government.
I don't know how we're communicating that, but I think so.
Sharing of their anonymous opinion is not particularly helpful.
They're using 2339
And
USC,
I think
providing
there was,
support,
again, based on
hearing devices. I can't
the
confirm
letter
that with you.
Director Comey sent to employees at the FBI.
Well, our
His
show's
letter
coming
was
to a
intended
close.
To clarify actions that the FBI was taking.
Our show's sponsored by Verizon,
But based on the fact that Director
only
Comey
on the
felt like
Next
he had to
Gen
send that letter
Network.
to agency employees,
To agency employees?
I think it's an indication that the
Indication?
letter has the opposite of the intended effect.
We can't confirm that here.
And the void has been filled by a lot of anonymous voices
Anonymous voices.
that haven't
That
served
haven't.
public interest either. So,
Either.
Again,
Yeah, we can't confirm that.
it's still a free country, and particularly people
Our
who,
show's a narrative.
based on their previous
a
experience in
narrative.
government, or based on
We can only talk
their
about the
own legal
elevators
expertise,
and
have an
what's in our
opinion,
wallet
and a view.
before consultation.
And it's clear in a modern media environment they have
Who
a variety
carries
of ways to share.
$7 on them before consultation?
but
We
somebody
do
who's
because
got
we're
institutional
riding
responsibility
down.
Or somebody who's
for
got
the best
institutional
attorney in the room.
responsibilities like me, who speaks for the president,
Speaks for the president.
I don't have the luxury
Another
of
one.
weighing in the same way.
Eric Holder obviously is not an anonymous voice, and someone who was so recently in that office using such
there you have it.
strong
That's Route
language
105.
about this, not based on
The elevator. Oh, my lips are so chapped.
Doesn't that worry the president?
Everyone lick your lips at the count of
The
three.
president believes
1,
strongly in those kinds of
2,
guidelines, too. I can't
3. Lick your lips,
recite
everybody.
guidelines and norms and traditions that he was giving voice to in his
MerriweatherA.Law, advancing
traditions and
clients.
norms the president has in mind.
See,
We're
yes.
talking about the responsibility that everybody at the Department of Justice and the FBI has to
2.
live up to them.
We're sponsored by FISA, everywhere you wanted to be. We're in the alphabet. Figure out which letter.
They protect the rights of people.
They
who are being
protect the key
investigated.
score. Very keystroke.
And,
And
that's important.
that's important.
Even in situations
Even in
where,
situations where
somebody who's affected by
somebody
an
who's
investigation is not
effectively
famous,
not famous,
and even when there's not an
and
election,
even
around
when
the
there's not
corner.
an election
So at the end of the day,
or a Super Bowl,
officials at the Department of
officials
Justice and the FBI
and the
have
FBI
a responsibility
have a responsibility
to live up to those.
to live up
traditions
to
and follow them.
those.
And the president's expectation.
No, to live down. We went down.
Is that they will do that.
He was going to the first floor.
Given that you do see this stark difference, even if you're not listening to anonymous,
Me and the
witness,
Malibu
even if you're
went
just
downstairs
listening to Eric Holder, who said that
with
was a
Joe,
hard
OJ. All right, that's it. We gotta go. We said it. It's Joe. JOLT. Drive with Chevy.
Top Democrats calling for
Well, if we take the LT, is that?
to put out the full facts.
What if we take the LT out of Joe?
Isn't that something that the
We
White
get
House
approved for a new Chevrolet
There's so much controversy surrounding
and
this.
EOC.
it's
Lynn,
not
we gotta go.